Sekhmet's children to Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet's and Fire's son. I am going to show you how I use the best clay recipe for natural hair at Green Beauty. In a few minutes, I will be showing you the properties of the 3 clays that I use, which is Rhassoul Clay, Bentonite Clay, and Kaolin Clay. And then later on, you will see how I applied it on my hair and how my hair now is so soft and moist. It is the best clay recipe. It's the only one that I've ever used, and it's the only one I will ever use because my hair is so moist and it's just awesome. It took my products very, very well after I did the clay. So don't forget to subscribe. And those who have, I want to thank you. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up so that it can be seen across the YouTube world. Please hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. The benefits of Rhassoul Clay. Rhassoul Clay has many different minerals that are very good for the hair and scalp. Bentonite Clay has a strong ability to remove toxin from hair and scalp, and it removes oily product buildup. Kaolin Clay removes toxins such as chlorine, arsenic, and fluoride, which is found in the tap water we use. This is why I only drink and cook with spring water. Thank you for coming back, Sekhmet's children, to I am using the best clay recipe for natural hair at Green Beauty. So you already have seen the benefits of the clays that we will be using. And so now we are going to mix everything up. So make sure you do not have a metal container. So will be using this glass container to mix everything up in. One-third cup of bentonite clay. A half a cup of Rhassoul clay. And 1/4 cup of Kaolin clay. And I got this recipe off of Green Beauty. And so you mix it up really, really well to get all of the clays integrated. Went and got my whisk. So you mix it up really, really well because you want the clays to be mixed up. And this is wash day for me. I've been washing my hair every week since April. So what we're going to do, we are going to mix our distilled water and our apple cider vinegar together. Okay. I already heated up some distilled water. So it's a little bit over a cup. And we're going to put 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That's a tablespoon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll give that a little whisk. And you're going to pour this over our clays. And I warmed it up a little bit. In Green Beauty's video, she had said that it's best for the water to be warm. Or room temperature, so I made it warm. So it could be easy to mix. And we're gonna add the rest of the water because I want it a little bit looser. Don't do as I do. You shouldn't use any metal utensils or bowls. And I know this because I work with Bentonite Clay a lot, but for some reason, my mind wasn't on right. So you want to get it mixed up really, really well. Still got chunks in it. I also found out by watching Green Beauty videos that I have low porosity hair. After an hour, we will be adding my flower powder herbal extreme hair growth oil for thinning mature hair. So put some saran wrap on there. So we will be back after an hour, guys. Okay, Segment's children, we are back. It's an hour. And so now we're going to put my flower powder herbal extreme hair growth oil in this. And we're gonna put some eucalyptus. This is a different blend I'm using. I'm gonna try it out. Peppermint. And tea tree. So that should give us a very nice scent and a nice sensation on the scalp. But yes, I am using Best Clay Recipe for Natural Hair at Green Beauty. I wanted to see how well this clay was because she said it was the best one. And look at it. Look how smooth this is. I used exactly her measurements that she had. And so let's see. It's messy. It's going all over the place. Hey, I'm back. I moisturized my hair with aloe vera gel and water and essential oils. And so now I'm going to apply this Best Clay Recipe for Natural Hair at Green Beauty. I tried her exact recipe and it's smooth. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Huh. This is so awesome, man. This is self-care. Okay? Today is the first. Today is September 1st, but you guys will see this tomorrow on the 2nd, which will be the full moon in Aquarius in 13 star sign astrology. Wow. Haha. This is awesome, honey. Wow. This feels divine. Wow. This is what our ancestors used to do. And then you can even put this on dry hair. That's what's amazing, too. But I would like, it could be a little bit more wetter, but I'll let it stay like this. I want to see how it's going to turn out. You know, and work it into the scalp. Yeah. Run it down the shaft of the hair, cuticles. Wow. My hair is so happy that I'm using all these natural things for it. And it makes me feel like I've been here for a long, long time. This feels amazing, guys. Look at that. This feels absolutely amazing. Okay. And it's not like it takes a long time. It spreads evenly. Wow. It's nice. This is a very nice combination. I can't wait to put this on my body. Ooh, child, honey. When I arise from the tub today, I am going to be a queen. Ooh. Wow. And my hair don't even hardly break anymore, guys. Since I've been doing my hair since April, every week, y'all see me, I'm putting something in my hair, some kind of plant material. Okay? Tell you, the plants are happy to be utilized like this to help us to prosper, honey. Look at that. I'm cleaning my hair with clay and my flower powder herbal extreme hair growth oil, along with distilled water and apple cider vinegar. Come on now. Ooh, my hair feels so good. Y'all just don't understand how good this feels. This is what you call self-care. Today is September 1st. I'm going to get some more water. It smells so good over here. rinsed it all out. Look how nice. My hair looks even darker. I will start using this best clay recipe for natural hair at Green Beauties twice a month because my hair is soft. It feels clean. It is clean. It rinsed out so easy, and everything was, that mud was so smooth. It was so nice. So I want to thank Green Beauty for coming up with that recipe, because I do have low porosity hair. And so because of your recipes on your channel, Green Beauty, my hair has been growing. You have inspired me, and you continue to inspire me. And thank you so much for putting out this excellent hair care for people of Black descent. And so I want to thank you, Sekhmet's children, for watching Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, so that it can be seen across the YouTube world. Please hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember to love yourself unconditionally, without judgment. Until next time.